Hello. Okay, my loves, can we have a little family meeting for a second? I have over 300,000 family members, but lately my videos are getting less than 50,000 views. At this point, I'm starting to think some of you are hiding from me. Do you know what goes into these hair tutorials? First, I spend hours doing my hair. Then I film from 27 different angles. Then I edit, re-edit, delete, cry a little, re-edit again, and finally post it for you all. Meanwhile, the algorithm is sitting there like, let's show this to only 12 people today. If you've been enjoying my tutorials, please do me a huge favor. Like, comment, save, and most importantly, share this video with your friends, your cousins, your neighbors, your hairdresser, and even that one friend whose hair is always in crisis. Your engagement is what helps these tutorials reach more people and keeps me motivated to keep creating free hair content for you. So if you've learned even one hairstyle from me, show this video some love and share it. Let's wake up the algorithm together. Now, back to making your hair look fabulous.
Beauty by Bee, come glow with me. Natural hair looking luxury. From roots to tips, we slay all day. Beauty by Bee, let's style your way. Beauty twists and braids, curls on fleek, simple styles for every week. Growth tips, care and love we see. All the magic, Beauty by Bee. All the magic, Beauty by Bee. Beauty by Bee, yeah, yeah. Beauty by Bee. Hair glowing naturally. From roots to the crown, we shine so free. Wash day, braid day, twisted upright. Healthy hair shining in the sunlight. Growth tips, styling every week. Beauty by Bee got the look you seek. For your hair, oh, yeah, yeah. Natural hair, she go teach you the way, oh. For your wigs and your growth, they no get to holla. Beauty by Bee. Oh, Beauty by Bee. Like, follow, and subscribe, jar. Beauty by Bee. Although, Beauty by Bee. Make you share with your people, my love. Beauty by Bee.